Paul's Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Alex.
Hello.
Amy is physically here, but she's too busy with church to bother with us. Now, one of the most disappointing things about having your gallbladder out is, unfortunately, you have to give up certain foods and certain sauces. You shouldn't be eating ketchup, and you shouldn't be eating barbecue sauce. Oh no. So, I'm going to make her some. So, I'm going to pour in 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And you want crushed tomatoes above everything else because crushed tomatoes are already pureed for you, so you don't have to do anything. And then I'm going to do 2 cans of tomato paste. Why? Because it just helps get it a little bit thicker. This is a little bit of a pain in the ass to totally get out, but that's fine. If you or somebody you love just had the gallbladder out, you want to make sure you're doing your utmost best to make sure that they're actually getting the best that they can have, so they can actually enjoy life. Because Amy can have whatever she wants, yes, but that's not really true, because Amy unfortunately is getting reactions from stupid things that never bothered her before. It's not that she can't have spice, she can't even have something that I would even consider to be pretty mild, and I can't handle spice.
She can't have anything that doesn't even have any spice.
I'm going to add a few drops of lemon and lime. Just to give it a little bit of a citrus flavor. Like, she had a little bit of barbecue sauce this morning, and she thought that her mouth was on fire. So, that should tell you that this really negatively affects her.
And barbecue sauce isn't even spicy.
No, it's not. So we're going to put a few drops of liquid smoke.
You don't want a lot.
We definitely don't want a lot, because that will really, really kill. I'm going to put a little tagine in. My goal here is to give her a nice flavorful barbecue sauce that she's going to enjoy. I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric. And then I've cut up 1/2 of an onion. Onions are always good. It'll give a nice rich flavor to it. Then of course I want some fresh ground black pepper. I got the heat on 5 on medium, so that will help there. I'm going to put a little bit of low salt, just a little bit, don't need a lot. I've got some maple bacon. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of smoldering applewood. Just to show her she can still have you can have pretty much anything you want if you're willing to put the effort in. If you're willing to make something, you can make it.
Yeah.
It just literally won't have the same flavors that you're usually accustomed to. Gonna put a little bit of cardamom in. And by the way, guys, don't go pranking somebody who had the gallbladder out or their appendix, or anybody that just come out of surgery and now has, and this is some oregano. And there's one more ingredient that we need to put in.
Yeah, don't prank anyone who has dietary restrictions.
Yeah, don't. It's not funny. Last thing we're going to do, we're just going to do about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It is funny to watch in a way when you're watching somebody else go through it, but if it's somebody you care about, then they're going to suffer, and they're going to suffer really, really bad. So you're going to take a moment here and you're going to stir this, and you want to stir this really, really good. Because you want everything to be all incorporated in this so that it tastes proper, so that it actually has a good flavor. This is pretty thick. So I'm going to give this a quick little taste. You want to taste this because you might need something else. You know what I mean? You always want to make sure that you... use a little bit more lime.
And that's why you taste it.
Yep, you always want to make sure you're tasting it because you want to be happy with...
Can I try a bit of it?
Yeah, once I'm happy.
Okay.
You always want to make sure you're happy, because if you're not, then it's no good to anybody if you're not. You have to be happy with it. One big thing I kind of forgot. This is stevia brown sugar.
And it's kind of a pain when it
starts bubbling when you're trying to put the whole thing in. That's alright. A little bit of a mess can be cleaned.
brown sugar can be a real pain when it hardens.
Yeah, it's very annoying. Once it starts heating up, then it'll start distributing again. I'm just going to take this off the heat for a moment because I think there's something else that I want to put in here. It's just lacking a little something. Put a little nutmeg in it, I think. Yeah, it's definitely nutmeg. So I always want to try to, accommodate somebody so that they can have a better meal and they can actually enjoy what they want to enjoy out of life a lot better, because it's stressful enough. You just come out of the hospital and they give you this huge list of things that you can and can't eat, and you start to get really annoying.
And then you find out that you can't eat your favorite foods anymore. But you still can.
Yeah, you absolutely can. You just have to do things differently. Amy?
Yeah?
Need you over here.
Okay.
It's going to turn the heat down a little bit.
It almost looks like a marinara sauce.
It does, except it's a lot thicker.
Yeah.
Grab a spoon and take a quick taste, Amy.
Okay.
And here's Amy, by the way. Amy's on the couch resting. She's had a hard night.
Ow, that's hot. That's spit.
Yes. Eat a little bit, you don't eat a lot.
Mmm.
What's that?
I like it.
Alright,
It's very good.
so we're gonna take
And
this.
no spice.
We're gonna take this right off the heat now. Give it one last little stir.
It smells really good.
It does, and this is gonna be Amy's barbecue sauce. It's like if you. Oh, wait a minute. You know what?
You forgot something?
I did.
What are you looking for?
My molasses, but.
It's in on the other side, hun. On the bottom on the
Oh.
other side. Yeah.
You all know this thing about.
Slow as molasses.
Yeah.
There's some molasses in there, right?
There is. So while we're waiting for the molasses to start sundering out, we want to hit the like, share, subscribe button. That's going to be the end of molasses. Now, for a diabetic, you want to really control yourself on this, because this is obviously not sugar-free. Put this back in the heat for a few more moments. Because molasses is definitely not sugar-free. But the amount of molasses we put in here is about 2 tablespoons. It's not a whole lot. But I'd rather give her a little bit of molasses and give her some good taste. But you want to avoid anything that's a hot spice.
Yeah. How's that?
Oh, that's it. That's exactly what it is. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate it. So I'm just going to bring this up a little bit here, not too much. And we're pretty much almost done here. This to me is a killer barbecue sauce. Amy can use this as ketchup. She can use this as barbecue sauce. There's nothing hot in it. Everything's good in here. There's a lot of spices in here, but not one of them's hot. So yeah, I'm gonna give it one little try here and we're done. Perfect, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this right off and then we're gonna put this in, once it's cooled down, we're gonna let this cool down first obviously, then we're gonna put it in some kind of container so Amy can put this out and use it on her steak, on whatever she wants really. This is going to be her ketchup, her barbecue sauce for the next 21 days. So she got 30 days that she has to tone things down, so this is part of it. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We all appreciate it. You have a great day.